Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Ka State Bank of India Shillong harkat ke jinga trelang ba ka State Bank of India Nongpo branch ha ka khalai tu global arjar arpho kala pelong ya ka jing pitu thu sikipat ba ya ka belatip kum ka 100% digitalization program ka beri ka thong ban pitu thu pat ba ha kani ka jok start ka pementa ka jinglum ne ka jing chau pisa ka debit ban long kat kum ka jok start pementa ya kani ka jing pitu thu pat ba la pelong ha district library auditorium Nongpo ha ka ba DGM e-commerce Digital Banking Corporate Center Mumbai u SAP Menon ulalong kum kongsan ha ka balai don lang ru u additional district magistrate ka Ribhoi district ba DP Kharsati kunthop ru ki branch manager jeng ki bang pher bat ki officer nak snat rekam jeng ka Ribhoi district kumun chukdo ka jing thu ba kongsan ka SBI ban pelong ni ka 100% digitalization program ka long ban buat dien hadu ka no ki pai ba kilas ngotho halor ka jing thu digital India ka bade ka wei na ka thong jong sarkar India kala pensu thu syakipat ba halor ka jinglom ne jingkan choy ka pisa da ka pentri kam no kat kum ka jong ki kor ki bor kani ka jok start ka pemerintah
100% digitization is to be done in the ecosystem in which we all live. What is this ecosystem of? What is this ecosystem? How does this ecosystem comprises of what? This ecosystem comprises of people like you and me, all consumers in any market, and the businessmen who sell their wares and they receive payments. We the consumers buy the products and we make payments. Now this two-way system is what we require to digitize. For this digitization, initially, we weren't very sure how we go about the whole thing. It was decided by the Reserve Bank of India somewhere in August 19 that we have to go about with this and that in every state, one district is to be identified and we have to go ahead with this. But then how are we exactly supposed to go about with this? Now let's understand one thing. We all who are part of the ecosystem need to have, all have to be enabled to be able to make digital payments. Is that clear or not? So how do we make digital payments? We use a debit card, swipe on a POS machine and we are able to do a digital payment. There are apps around, UPI apps, where you download the app, register yourself and you are able to make a UPI, a digital payment. And also, you can even avail a retail internet banking and you can do a digital payment. If every customer in the bank, every saving bank account holder in the bank is enabled by issuing him a debit card or a UPI product, and if you handhold him for a certain number of days, you can guide him and you can enable him to do digital payments. And that is exactly what RBI expects from us in the first phase. Now coming to businesses who need to accept payments. This acceptance infrastructure, what RBI expects from us is that every current account holder in all the banks should be having at least corporate internet banking or QR code to receive digital payments, or he has a POS with him in the merchant premises, or he has Aadhaar enabled payment system to receive payments.